Good morning, children. Children, we are learning the revision, children. We are revising of what we have learned. Okay, children. We are revising of what we have learned. Okay. Children, as I said, we are having the 3 chapters for your examination. For FA1, you are having the three chapters. That is motion, laws of motion, and refraction of light by the plane surfaces, children. Refraction of light by the plane surfaces. 3 chapters you are having, children. Motion, laws of motion, and refraction of light by the plane surfaces. Okay, first we will revise the refraction of light by the plane surfaces, children. Okay, yesterday I have given some introduction. Okay, first we will be revising a light, children. Light, first you should know what is light. Light is a source of energy, okay, which gives a sense of vision. Light is a source of energy which enables us to see the beautiful world around us. We are having of different types of medium, children. Okay, medium. What is medium? Medium is a source through which energy is transmitted. It is a source through which energy is transmitted. That is called as a medium. Okay, children. Right. Here we are having of different types of medium. Transparent medium, translucent medium, opaque medium. Okay, transparent to translucent to opaque medium. What is transparent medium? The medium in which the light can pass through it. If in a medium, if the light is passing through it, which allows the light to pass through it, is a transparent medium. Which allow to pass the light partially, it is called as a translucent medium, children. And which won't allow the light to pass through it. Which won't allow the light to pass through it is called as a what? Opaque medium, children. Stone is an opaque medium. Our earth is an opaque medium. This is a wall is an opaque medium. Like that, children. Okay. That means here the medium in which the light cannot pass through it, it is called as a opaque medium, children. Okay. Children, you should make a note of all these transparent, translucent and opaque medium, children. Why? Because you may get the questions from these types of the medium also. Here that is okay. You know the example of transparent. Air is a transparent medium. Water is a transparent medium. Question will be asked. The medium which is not transparent, air, water, earth, like that. Therefore, what is that? Which is not a transparent. Means earth is not a transparent. Clay is not a transparent. Okay. Planet earth is not a transparent. Wall is not a transparent. It is an opaque medium which reflects the light. Okay, children, like that. Okay. Therefore, here the medium in which the light can pass through it, it is called as a transparent medium. And you should know the examples of the transparent. Translucent, only partially the light can pass through it. It is called as a translucent medium. Okay, children. In the translucent medium, okay, carbon paper, some type of glasses. Okay, oil paper is a transparent, translucent medium. Next, opaque medium. Stone is a opaque medium. Wall is a opaque medium. Okay, is a chalk piece. Chalk piece is a opaque medium. It is not a transparent, like that, children. Okay, you should know the example as well as the definition compulsory. Okay, next we are learning about the reflection. Reflection. Okay, children. First we are learning the what is light. Okay, what is the medium? Light can pass through medium. Light can pass through absence of medium. Light can pass in the presence as well as in the absence. It is having the dual nature, children. Okay. Light can travel in the form of waves as well as the light can travel in the form of the particles. Okay. Right. Medium. Types of medium. Types of medium. We are having three types of medium: transparent, translucent, transparent, translucent, opaque. Okay, right. Next, transparent, translucent, and opaque medium. And next we have what is reflection. Reflection of light. Okay, children. Reflection. Okay. What do you mean by this reflection? Okay. Reflection of light, children. Reflection of light. Okay. What is this reflection of light? Reflection means the bouncing back of light into the same medium is called as the reflection. The bouncing back of light into the same medium is called as the reflection. When the light is traveling into the same medium, it is called as a reflection. Here normally diagram of reflection. This is a reflecting surface. It indicates a painted children. This is a normal. This is an incident ray. This is a reflected ray. This is the angle of incidence. Angle of reflection. Glancing angle of incidence. Glancing angle of incidence. Next, glancing angle of reflection. Okay, glancing angle of reflection. Okay, children? Right. Angle of incidence, angle of reflection, glancing angle of incidence, glancing angle of reflection. Okay, children? Therefore, here, when we are learning about the reflection, you should learn each and every definition, children. What is the incident ray? The light ray which bounces back into the same medium is called as the reflected ray. The light ray which is incident at a point on the reflecting surface is called as the incident ray. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is called as the angle of incidence. The angle between the reflected ray and the normal is called as the angle of reflection. The angle between the incident ray and the reflecting surface is called as the glancing angle of incidence. The angle between the reflected ray and the reflecting surface is called as the glancing angle of reflection. Like that, you should know all the topics, children. The point at which the light ray is incidented is called as the point of incidence. Point of incidence. Okay, children. Next, we should know the laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. Laws of reflection also. Okay. In the following, which is not a law of reflection, also will be given, children. Okay, in the options. Laws of reflection. Incident ray, normal, reflected ray lie in the same plane. Children, you should listen to what the points I am revising. Okay, whatever we discuss, which are very, very important of the particular topic, children. If you should make a note of this one, it's better if you write the points in your book also. Okay, the incident ray, normal and reflected ray lie in the same plane, and the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of the reflection. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of the reflection. Okay, children. These are the two laws of reflection. Okay, children. Therefore, today we learned what is light, what is medium, what are the types of medium, what is reflection, the laws of reflection, children. Okay. All these points we learned today. Okay, children. Should make a note of all these points. And here of this, when we are revising of all the points particularly, okay, should make a note of this one. And from these, the questions will maybe asked, children. Okay? Right. Okay? Right, children. Therefore, the remaining will be learning in the next class, children. Okay? Try to revise as many number of times as I have given, children. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.